1. Board early, if possible. Arriving early can get you on board faster, letting you enjoy ship amenities before things get busy. Show up to board early. Get more time on the ship. That said, some ports may enforce your boarding window strictly, so stay aware of your designated time. 2. Carry on essentials, day bag. Pack a small tote, backpack with swimsuit, sunscreen, sunglasses, medications, valuables, documents, passport, C-Pass, phone, charger, change of clothes. Your checked bags won't arrive until early afternoon, so keep your carry-on light and functional. 3. Hit the pool. Activities. Head to Thrill Island, the Category 6 water park, Swim and Tonic, Swim Up Bar, or Royal Bay, largest pool at sea. These are less crowded during early boarding hours. 4. Grab a quick bite. Casual spots like Sorrento's Pizza, Windjammer Buffet, Cafe Promenade, or El Loco Fresh are open for immediate lunchtime options. Windjammer is a solid choice right after boarding before dining gets hectic. There are other options to explore too, such as El Loco Fresh, tacos, Park Cafe, sandwiches, base camp, quick bites in Thrill Island, Surfside Eatery, great for families with kids, Aqua Marketplace, good for light food,